Hey, welcome. So today we're talking about something pretty cool, a dental practice that's focused on way more than just routine checkups. They're all about transforming lives, and it all starts with a smile. So let's dive in and take a closer look at Astoria Dental Group.
So, let me ask you this. Are you ready for a truly life-changing smile? I mean, think about it. It's so much more than just looking good, right? A great smile can completely change your confidence, how you feel about yourself every single day. The big question is, how do you even get there?
Well, for a lot of us, it's not exactly a straight line. There's often something standing in the way, a common, totally understandable dental dilemma that so many people face. And these are things so many of us can relate to. We're talking about tooth loss, maybe crooked teeth, or even just the thought of dealing with uncomfortable old-school braces. But look, these aren't just clinical problems, are they? They really hit your self-esteem, how you carry yourself, and how you interact with the world. Okay, so what's the solution to all these challenges? Well, this is where Astoria Dental Group says they have the answer. They're basically set up as a one-stop shop for a total smile makeover. They've combined everything, cosmetic, implant, and general dentistry, all under one roof. The whole idea is that you can get a complete transformation without having to run all over town to different specialists. And here's something that's a pretty big deal. They have their own dental lab right there on site. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, it means things can be more precise, more comfortable, and a whole lot faster. No more waiting around for things to be sent off to some other lab. It's all done in-house, which is a huge convenience. Of course, all the cool technology in the world doesn't mean a thing without the right people behind it. So let's meet the experts who make it all happen, the smile doctors. And we are talking about some serious experience here. Over 35 years of it. That's decades and decades, dedicated to the art and science of cosmetic and restorative dentistry. At the heart of the practice are Dr. Clifford Degel, and just so you know, that's pronounced Degel, and Dr. Carmen Every-Degel. He's the expert when it comes to exquisite cosmetic and restorative work, rebuilding that perfect smile. And she is a recognized top provider for Invisalign, specializing in those amazing, discreet transformations. Okay, but you know what really matters in the end? What actual patients have to say about their experience. The proof is always in the results, and the best way to see that is to hear from people who've actually been there.
Take a look at this from Al. He calls the doctor a dental magician. I love that. But notice what he points out first. He explained the whole procedure. That is huge. It shows it's not just about the incredible final outcome, but about feeling comfortable and in the loop the entire time.
And then you've got Veronica's comment, which really gets to the heart of the experience, trust. I know I'm putting my teeth in the right hands. That feeling of confidence, that optimism about getting your dream smile, that's just as important as the dental work itself. Wow, and then there's Hector. 28 years. 28. That's not just a one-time visit. That's a lifelong relationship. It really speaks volumes, doesn't it? It shows they're not just fixing teeth. They genuinely care about the people they're treating. So, if any of this is hitting home for you, the idea of gaining that confidence through a process led by real experts who actually care, then the next question is, how do you get started on your own journey? Well, it all starts with one simple step, booking a consultation. It's your chance to speak directly with the team, ask all your questions, and really explore what's possible for your smile. And according to Astoria Dental Group, that's where the transformation begins.